This summer I'm interning at Symphoria. It's a non-profit organization, entirely musician-run. It was formerly known as the Syracuse Symphony Orchestra. We travel around the Syracuse area throughout the summer, giving free concerts so that people will come to our regular season. Basically, I'm kind of figuring out their digital media for them. I'm doing a little photography for them, but also learning a lot about event coordination and music admin in general. I'm actually really interested in doing marketing or something for college administration someday. So I think that I can use the tools that I've learned about personal communication when I go back to Naz. It's just good experience to see what options you have out there. And I think it's really meaningful that Naz gives you multiple opportunities to do this, especially through the SPARK Grant. Having people I know have my back and are just as invested in my education as I am is really helpful for me putting myself out there and doing internships like this. I would say that the internship just made me way more willing to go out and talk to people. If you want to get involved in an internship, you need to be actively engaged with your education. You can't just leave it up to other people or your advisors to make it happen for you. You need to go out and seek it yourself.